That was my debut.
Oh, cool.
Yes, at Highbury. And I came on up front. I'll tell you that. Do you remember that?
And he didn't
Did you
score.
burst off the bench?
Oh, shanked one.
What did he say when he's bringing it? I'm going to put you up front. I just want you to hold it and give
I
us
told you,
give
what did he
us a
say?
focal point.
You know what, Stuart Pearce was the manager at the time.
Oh, of course. What was he like? I'm just,
He was class.
Because the one thing, I mean, I know Stuart really well. I mean, and he was so driven on the pitch, and he was a really great fullback, by the way. He was a top player, and he's smart. But he was a man of so few words.
No.
I mean,
he had loads of words.
That's what it was always. I mean, he's changed. I mean, I've met him lots of times since, but he was kind of cutting with occasional things he'd say. But he wasn't very particularly.
No, he was so good with me.
I didn't see him necessarily as a coach or a manager.
He was really intelligent.
Oh yeah,
He'd come
smart.
in, he'd do the tactics and stuff. But we didn't have great players at the time. But he did try to do me one time.
Stop putting yourself down.
He did. I was on $5,000 a week at the time.
Oh, here we go.
So I was on $5,000 a week, and I just got into the England squad. Do you remember?
How old were you?
17.
I'm fine.
No,
I was living a life.
No wonder it didn't quite work out, Mike.
But we've already done that, so let's not go back to that. But he did try to do me one of these times. So I was on
£5,000 a week.
I was worth it.
17. What were you on? What were you on at 17?
2 shekels.
I'll tell you exactly what I was.
Shekels. Shillings.
Shekels.
I got 16 pounds a week.
£16.
Yeah, £16 a week. But because I was a local boy and all the others were in digs, so therefore their digs were looked after, the other youngsters, I also got a separate envelope to Mrs. Lineker, my mum, with a £5 note in it. So there's £21 a week, but my mum had a £5, but she never took it. She always gave it me back. £21 a week, and then I signed as a professional when I was 18.
What year was this?
Late 70s.
So that was still good money in the 70s.
What, £21 a week? Well, it wasn't even that good.
No, listen. Inflation and all that now.
Did you not get any money for your bus pass?
Inflation to get to £5,000 a week.
Did you not get any money for your bus pass as well?
Well, I get that now. I'm about to get that.
Yeah.
Do you get free bus rides now?
Not yet.
What age is it? 65?
You think it is it? Anyway.
So he tried to do me. He offered me double the money, so £10,000 a week.
What? Who?
Stuart Pearce at the time. But I just got into the England. I was just getting England.
You're bursting.
Exactly. So I ended up on £50,000 a week. He tried to do me out of £40,000 a week. So every time I see him, I just laugh at him. He was at the World Cup when we worked for Top
Pearce
Sport.
never made it as a manager, paid him £50,000 a week and put him centre forward.
Can you imagine how you're paying a 17-year-old fullback £50,000 a week?
Good times.
Game's gone.
So then, the story goes on.
Oh, God.
So do you remember the whole time when you had to have so much English players for the quota? So Man City offered me $5.5-year deal on £100,000 a week.
At what age?
I was old then. I was 26.
Oh, right.
26.
Offered you
£100,000 a week, 5.5-year deal, and I said no. Yeah, I said no
You did what?
Yeah, exactly. Because I was number 2 behind Zabaleta. And I said no.
You just wanted to play, didn't you?
I just wanted to play. That's what I mean. Love of it. Look at me. So I'm not all about the money.
Have you recovered from that decision yet?
Why do you think I work for every broadcaster? I need to top it off.
Idiot!
I went to Aston Villa.
On 120.
No. That was less money. But then we got relegated in the first season, so my wage is half. So I've gone from £100,000 a week offer to like £25,000 a week in the Championship.
It's still a living.
Well, not living for big meeks, you know what I mean?
Spending on his champagne parties in Vegas.
Oh dear.
Imagine what you'd have been worth if you had it stuck in.
No
wonder you can't stand Pablo Zabaleta.
Honest to God.
MR2 turns down 100 randomly.
5.5-year deal. Hang on a minute.
Do the maths.
It's fine.
It's 5.2 million a year.
I think that's 27.5 million, roughly.
Yeah, take your VAT and your tax out and all that sort.
27.5 million.
It's about,
But here you are doing a podcast for peanuts.
For peanuts.
But we're glad to have you.
Yeah.
We're glad to have you.
Oh, brilliant.
The love of the game.
Thanks for watching. You can listen to Match of the Day Top 10 only on BBC Sounds. Subscribe to the BBC Sounds YouTube channel to be the first to see more from us right here.